Today, I want to talk to you about protecting the furniture you're born with. I do custom home decor, and I also refinish furniture for people. You're probably asking yourself, what in the heck? What furniture am I born with? We're not born with any furniture. It's a material thing. It's not, I don't have any furniture that I'm born with. Because I refinish furniture, I understand the process of the furniture, the building of the furniture and everything else. So let me show you this piece that I'm doing. So I have this piece right here that I'm doing for someone, okay? It was stained. I have holes that I'm filling, if you can see the holes and the patches that I'm filling. And it's kind of rough on the top, but I'm refinishing this for someone. As I'm talking today, I want you guys to really think about this furniture right here. Let me try to sit in front of it a little more. I can't. This piece of furniture right here as a part of your life. You are born, your soul is your furniture. You are born with that. You are born with your heart. That is your furniture. So when someone builds a piece of physical furniture, they have plans and they know exactly how it's going to be built. And that's what God did. He knew exactly how to build you, your flaws and everything. He knew exactly what he wanted you to look like. He knew exactly how he wanted you to act. He knew exactly what your weaknesses were going to bring to other people. And he knew exactly what your strengths were going to bring to other people. Okay? So just like this piece of physical furniture here, you have a piece of furniture in yourself that is yours. And it's who you are. So with this piece of furniture that I am redoing for someone, it was built from someone and it was stained. Okay? The stain is the topical piece of this furniture. It is the outward look of this furniture. Now, this person doesn't want this stained anymore. She wants it painted. So I am going to fix up all the rough spots of this piece of furniture and paint it for her. The rough spots in your life, some of these holes that I have filled on this piece of furniture were there that didn't get filled in the beginning. They were there through the building process, okay? They were holes from staples or nails, and they didn't get filled in the building process, okay? And we all, I don't want to say you because it is totally me too. We all have holes in our furniture. And that is where we allow other people to help fill those holes. We work through this world based on having the love of others help us and our love helping others. So those holes that may be not filled, they're not filled for a reason. I'm filling some of them because I'm going to make this piece of furniture beautiful. Also along the way, the top of this piece of furniture, just like the top of any piece of furniture, it is scuffed and it is chipped and there are pieces that are broken and it's just not smooth. It's just not pretty. And we all have that. We all go through life and we get scuffed and we get scarred and we get chipped and we get broken. But that's okay because we can fix those things. I can fill those things on this piece of furniture and I can fix those things on this piece of furniture, just like you can do in your heart and just like you can do in your life. There is a piece, okay, let me explain this to you this way. There is a piece on this furniture that is a really big gouge out of it, and I'm gonna fix it. But you know what? That fix that I'm putting on, and I'm using wood putty to fix that, it's still broken in that way, and the wood will never be the same in that way, but I have made it to where it's functional and to where it's beautiful and to where no one can see that. Now, it's okay to let people see your weaknesses. It's okay to let people see your scars. And but they're fixable. They can be fixed. So let me also tell you this. When I paint this piece of furniture and I make it beautiful again, in 10 years, it's going to look beat up again. Especially if it's in a house with kids, which I know it's going to be, especially that way, or it's just natural for furniture to get beat up, to get worn down, to get used, to get just the life worn out of it. That's okay, because we can give it new life again, because the base is still sturdy. The base of this piece is still sturdy. The base of this is sturdy, just like the base of your heart and the base of your life is sturdy. No matter the scuffs that are on it, no matter the scratches that are on it, no matter if you paint it and make it pretty, no matter if you stain it, no matter what you do to it, the base is still good. And in 10 years, when this piece needs to be redone again, because it's been through life, then it can still be fixed. So remember that. Remember that today. I didn't want to take a lot of time today with you guys, but I want you to remember that we all have a piece of furniture in our heart and in our soul that is our base, and it's sturdy and it's functional and it is usable. And we can't let the outside influences of the world destroy that. Because when it's destroyed, it's no longer usable. When someone destroys this piece of furniture, it's no longer usable. And that means you're dead. So, there's a lot of things along the way in this life that can put nicks and scrapes and cuts and gouges in the pieces of furniture and in your soul. And the ones that put it in your soul, the ones that put it on this furniture are just, they're so material. But the ones that put it in your soul, they can cut deep. They can cut so deep. It can be, past sins that you have committed, past anger, past sins that people have done to you, or, just maybe some struggling and challenging times and things that you had to deal with growing up as a child. Lots of things, emotional things, mental things, physical things. There's so many things that can put bumps and gouges and scars and bruises in your soul. But we can paint you and make you pretty. We can sand you down. And in those times of you being sanded down, that is where God is scraping away all of those scratches, just like when I sand down this piece of furniture. I am taking away all the scratches and all the nicks and all the bumps and all the gouges. I am sanding it away to make this a beautiful piece. And that is the same thing with your soul. When you sit and you allow God to sand away all of those holes that you have in you and fill them with His soul, fill them with the people who love you around. I didn't say that right. Let the love of the people around you feel it. That is what is going to make you beautiful again. Protect the furniture that you have inside of you. Protect the furniture that you were born with, and that's your soul, that's your heart. Protect it for all that it is. Just like if you were to get $1,000 hutch or whatever that you would buy for your home, protect it. Because you know what? That's who you are. And in 10 years, when you need a little bit of fixing up, or a year from now, if you need a little bit of fixing up and you need a little bit of prettiness, and you know what? Fix them. All of the paint, all of the stain, it's an external thing, but inside is what makes you beautiful. This piece is beautiful because it is built beautifully. So, I wish you guys a happy Sunday. You are loved and you are beautiful as well. Thank you guys.